Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Chemistry with Jonathan. Today we'll be making an electrolytic cell using simple materials that we can easily find around us. And also we'll be carrying out electrolysis of brine, that is sodium chloride solution. The materials we'll be using in this experiment are a spatula, super glue, crocodile clips, 9-volt battery cap, 9-volt battery, wire, switch. We'll remove a carbon rod in 1.5 volt battery. We need 2 test tubes, plastic containers, sodium chloride, and smooth fine sand. Anyway, this one is optional. The first thing we're going to do now is to glue our plastic containers together using the super glue. Now we are going to light up our source of heat so that we can heat up our carbon rods and attach it to the plastic container. This next step is optional. That is when we add sand to the point where we insert the carbon rods so that it will not leak. It's optional. You may add the sand, you may not add the sand. Just ensure that it's not leaking. Pick up a metal object like a nail so that you can make a hole beside the plastic container where you will insert your wire. Now connect your wire to the crocodile clips that will be attached to the carbon rods. Connect your 9-volt battery cap. Connect your switch. Attach your crocodile clips to each of the carbon rods. One serves as the cathode and the other one is the anode. Weigh about 6 grams of sodium chloride. Pour some water into the plastic container that electrodes have been attached to, and ensure that the water covers the electrodes, the carbon rods. Add your sodium chloride and stir till it dissolves. Fill each of the test tubes with salt solution and invert it on each of the electrodes. Connect your 9-volt battery. As soon as it is connected, electrolysis begins immediately. Now remember that if the concentration of the sodium chloride is very low, that is very dilute, oxygen gas will be liberated at the anode, and at the cathode, hydrogen gas will be liberated. But if the concentration is very high, at the anode, chlorine gas will be liberated, while at the cathode, hydrogen gas will still be liberated. In this experiment, the concentration of chlorine is high, therefore we'll be producing chlorine gas at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. As you can see in this experiment, hydrogen gas is being produced rapidly, while the chlorine gas is being produced at a lower pace. And chlorine being a poisonous gas, just a very little amount of it will be produced in this experiment. So remember, when you test for your hydrogen, what kind of sound do you hear? Listen to the sound again. Alright, are you with me? Listen. Alright, I believe you heard the sound, right? Beautiful, beautiful.